Okay, so this is a Renault Megane 2 facelift. So what we have here in the door compartment, in the door pocket, we have some water. So what we've done in order to take care of this problem, we remove this cover of the speaker, and we took out the speaker, and behind we placed a plastic bag with the edges down in order for the water to drop below the edge of the pocket. So as you can see here, before the water was getting into the speaker and was absorbed by the material of the speaker, and afterwards was dropping. After too much water into this material, the water was dropping on this edge into the pocket. So right now what I've done, I cover the top of the speaker with this plastic foil, and the edges of the foil are coming below the edge of the pocket. So now we should not have any other drops of water into this pocket. So this is very easy to take it out, like you can see here, and hope this serves you well. I've done the same thing on the left side, but a few years back, and everything handled properly. This is a Renault Megane from 2007, and I did not have any problem with this pocket until this year 2021. So I'm going to make some cleaning inside the pocket. So wish you all the best.